You can delete keyframes by right-clicking either the channel box or time slider. Shift dragging either lets you select multiple items at once for deletion. Or in the case of the time slider, repositioning or scaling. These are great for making quick, general timing adjustments to your animation. To make more detailed timing adjustments, open the graph editor. This shows the selected object's keyframe progression over time, and is one of the best ways to get a sense of your animation's flow. You can isolate specific attributes by selecting them. And navigate using similar controls as the viewport. Select points and adjust their curvature by dragging tangents. Gentle slopes indicate gradual ease in or ease out, while sharp slopes make the animation more uniform or abrupt. You can change the type of curvature using these buttons. You can also move or delete keyframes here too, which is handy for modifying specific keyframes on specific attributes while leaving the rest of the animation alone. Finally, if you don't want to bother with setting keyframes manually, you can turn on Auto Keyframe down here. When this is on, Maya will automatically create keyframes anytime you change an object's attributes. Just be careful. This can quickly snowball and fill your time slider with a lot of keyframes.